What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Frog's Garage. As y'all saw in a recent video, I went out to Robbie Stafford's place to do some dyno tuning on the Colorado, and he happened to have this outside of his shop. Worked out a good deal on it, so we got a new project vehicle for the channel. It's going to be the new race truck for next season. I'm gonna be working, trying getting it set and ready. So show you what we got real quick. We got this old 36 Ford rat rod. All right, so it's sitting on a S10 frame with a GM 10 bolt S10 rear end, 36 Ford body. Just finished pressure washing her a little bit ago. So got a solid floor. So going to end up putting about the same setup. It's going to have a LS in the front of it. Pretty much same thing I used to run on the truck. Probably only be between 2,500 and 2,000 pounds. So she should fly pretty good. But overall, she's solid and a good base to build off of. Right now the front axle's just strapped down. I'm gonna get some little leaf springs to put on there, probably like some trailer leaf springs or something. Got to hook the steering box up and get all that done. But yeah, so this is going to be the new project for the channel. So we're going to end up putting a V8 nice LS, mix a little new with the old, get it running fast, and be the new bracket race truck. So if you're interested in seeing me build up the rat rod, stay tuned to the channel, like, subscribe, and I appreciate you guys as always.